I'm Nadia Escobar, and we've told you about the high demand in HVAC workers, but women are really changing the game for the industry.
These girls kind of grew up into it because they were stuck with dad all the time.
This is what controls your unit from the outside unit to the inside unit.
Alfredo Franco was a single dad raising 2 little girls. Now those girls are helping him take his air conditioning business to the next level.
I would pick them up from school and they would get stuck in the service truck doing their homework. And then when they were done, I was still working, so then they're like, bored, Dad, do you want me to help you?
Franco's oldest daughter, Emma, is even teaching others at Del Mar College. Everything her dad and grandfather taught her. She says she enjoys every minute of working with her family.
Yep. It's exciting, really, honestly. You don't get a lot of people that show up to your house and say, yeah, that's my sister, or that's my dad, or simply just calling him dad, because I don't call him anything else.
Emma says she has caught some people off guard when she shows up to make repairs. She says proving doubters wrong has only helped her grow her love for the business. For me to teach men, or to simply go to somebody's house that, you know, they're not expecting a woman, I like to prove them wrong and show them, like, I fixed your AC, you know, I did that. And it makes me happy because I did something that people thought that it could never be done. For Julia, Emma's little sister, getting in the industry wasn't something she thought she would do. But now she can't see herself not helping the family business.
I love it. I love that I get to spend every day with my dad, every day with my sister, every day with, you know, my brother. I get to talk to him. Most families, they talk to their dad, their parents, maybe about once a week, you know, and I get to talk to my dad every morning, every day.
Mr. Franco says he is very proud of his 2 girls.
Don't expect it, you know, didn't expect it from them, but they did good. They're doing good.
Mr. Franco hopes the girls continue to expand and grow their business. In Portland, Nadia Escobar, Christic Sunrise.